The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota Tundra with the Leitner ACS forged bed rack system. Here, this Tundra is the short bed model, so 5.5 feet. This will work on the Tundra from 2007 through 2021, so wide range of year fitments. As far as fitments go, a little note, if your Tundra has the factory installed Utilitrack system, that will need to be removed before you install this Leitner bed rack, but it's easy enough, just a few Torx bolts that you remove, and that allows room for the clamps to clamp on. While we're looking here, you can see the multiple tracks, and that's a common theme around the Leitner ACS system, are the tracks from not only the base rail on the inside and outside, but also the top rail, inside, outside, top side, bottom side. It's a quad channel bar, same bar that's used for the crossbar or the load bar. That's a quad channel bar. Top, you have the rubber diffuser strip, which helps quiet the rack when you're driving. But if you remove the end cap, you can actually see this channel a lot better. There you go. So 4 channels, so multitude of different accessories work on not only the crossbars, but also the rail. So they have an extensive line of accessories from gear pods, small and XL, the new hydro pod, universal brackets if you need to carry fuel cans, water cans, light brackets, awning brackets, pretty much a bracket for anything. So just hop on the website, check out the latest brackets. But here you can see the components. So this is all forged aluminum. So really strong, 1,400 pound static load capacity, 800 pound driving around, and 400 pounds for your off-road enthusiasts. So really great truck rack option here. Lots of accessories, heavy payload, only about 85 pounds total weight. So really high capacity with not adding much weight. So other than that, there are points that you have to drill into the truck. I'll show you that real quick. So there's 2 holes, one top, one bottom, driver side and passenger side. Easy enough to do. The drill bits are supplied by Leitner. You do want to make sure you read the instructions once, twice, 3 times before you get going. Here's a look from the passenger side. Exact same. 23 inches from the bed rail to the top of the crossbar. So it's just above the cab, so if you have a longer load, it's going to clear. But not so high to where it may not prevent you from going to, say, most garages. But you'll want to measure out before you try to enter a garage. Alright, so yeah, that's the Leitner ACS forge system on this Toyota Tundra. For more details, check out the website that we have, therackshop.com. I don't know why that came out so weird. But visit therackshop.com for more pictures, videos, and details, pricing, free shipping on this item. So just visit our website, therackshop.com, or like this customer, come by our shop. We're in North Austin. Feel free to reach out to us or swing on by. And thanks for watching.